Hi guys, so this is the situation. I made a little mistake on my journey, the Isle of Wight, and I put my camera down, collecting some mussels, while the tide came out and kind of went into my camera, which was pretty dumb of me, but it happened. So I put it into rice. Let's see. This is now 4 days. And unfortunately, as you still can see, there is still plenty of water, so it's no point for me to pop in the battery, because I done it like 2 days ago, and it just started flashing and no, started kind of smoking. So unfortunately, I'm not 100% sure if that whole rice scenario works. At that stage, I have to say, it's disappointing that still after 4 days completely submerged, you can still see the little water drops. So I guess I have to dig it in much more further and leave it like for a week or two. Great shame. The lens is finished as well. So that had some water coming in as well. So as I can hear it, there's plenty of rice here as well. So that with the rice didn't quite work out for me, I think. So next time when you do something like this, then please cover that with some sort of mesh where the rice cannot go through, because as you can clearly hear, there is rice inside, and this is not something you should do. Again, I put a little bit of toilet paper in there, make sure it's not going that much inside. But this camera, I think, is completely finished, and I will submerge it even more. So let's see what happens. But not 100% sure that rice trick actually does work. So boom, swallow.